Hello everyone, and today I'm going to do a review of this Hoover steam jet steam cleaner. I know how to use this, and don't worry, I'm not going to burn myself. So I got this from a car boot sale. It's at 8. There's one on Bank Holiday Monday, so if you want to go and have a look there and see what you can find, it's interesting what you might find something nice. But before we do that, as you can see, there's quite a mess here, so just notice some things I'll pop to a side. So I'm going to vacuum first. You will shortly see, maybe next month, a video of the Vax Air cordless. So I'm going to move our steam mop out of the way and use the Vax. Just going to start it on the carpet. As you can see, the floor wasn't that dirty. As you can see, it was worth doing. So now we're ready to mop. So obviously you know what steam mop's powered by. It's powered by electricity. So we should be able to unwind the cable. There's no tip down, I'm afraid. So unwind the whole cable, and I'm going to give it to my father. I won't put water in it. So my father's going to go and get some water. So basically, it's a question of opening this cap and taking it off. And Daddy's going to get some water and then just pour it in. Thank you. And then we just get the filler cap, put it on and twist it to lock. Simple as that. Then we're going to turn it on. And the light should illuminate. It should flash. So it's plugged in. There we are, it's flashing, that means it's getting hot. Just gonna get the cable out of the way. And when that shows continuously, so basically means it's heating up. We're getting steam. shows you how quiet. Oh. Oh, Tangle Grammy Foot. How good just a steam mop is. Make sure to have a dry mop on hands because water can be left right away. It's brilliant. So easy to use, as you can see, and steam coming off of it. And it's really getting up the it's just really good. Really good to use. I'm not going to use this every day, but be my guest. This is a love. This is really good. I can't use it in the kitchen for this conservatory, so yeah, don't cut it. So yeah, so still, it's very good. I'm going to turn it up a bit. So I'm going to let that cool down. And just turn it off at the socket. And then I'm just going to show you how to use a dry mop to mop up any residue. So to mop up any residue, just do this, do back and forward, and it should remove all the black moisture. There is going to be a lot of moisture. Well, I've done this like I can feel, that's damp. It's amazing how quickly water, steam can turn to water. So yes, if you like this steam mop, if you like my channel, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe. I try my hardest every time when I make my videos, put just so much effort, and it's just some people leave negative feedback and I don't really like that. So I'm autistic, so I kind of get, you know, because it's hard to deal with my autism, but I'm learning to deal with it, and you know, it's just, I just try my hardest every day to make people's faces smile, and I try my hardest like every single time I make a video. Put a lot of effort into my videos. I'm a bit tired now, and I'll see you all later. Please subscribe or leave a comment. I like reading the comments. So bye for now.